Welcome back to Movie Masters, and today we're trying to see how far we can fly the Mini 3 Pro. So I've actually owned this for about a year and I've never actually attempted to take it as far as possible. I've just done it when I needed and within the limits of it. Now sometimes I have been flying my drone and I haven't been able to go any further because of interference, so I decided to take it to a field that was, well, lacking in anything.
Okay, today we're going to do a flight range test. So I've just charged up the DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro to full battery and I'm about to launch it. I'm also going to set a timer on my phone, stopwatch. Alright, so just starting this now. Alright, and I'll just turn this on. Chose a outdoor area, the best place I could find that doesn't have too much interference.
So for the whole duration of this test, I am going to put it in sports mode to get to the place as fast as possible to see how much distance we can cover.
Alright, so I've gone to 107 meters and now I'm just going to fly it forward. Now when you're doing these, if you want to get the best distance out of your remote control, it's best to make sure you're not flying between any big buildings or any high mountains. So I've got 32 satellites, which is pretty good. My RC has full bars. Alright, 13.7 miles and we've gone 1,492 meters. Still going. $1,700 meters. Okay, this is a record for me. Alright, 1,900 meters. 2,600. 2,700. 14.7 miles. 58% battery. Alright, we're almost about to hit 3,000 meters. Going 15 miles a second. There we go, 3,000 meters. That's a new record for me. Alright, now let's hope it returns to home in time. So there is our flight test. Just made over 3,000 meters and safely returned with 24% battery. So we probably could have pushed it a little further. I was flying over water, so I wanted to play it a little bit safe. Had I lost it, it just would have gone in the drink. But look, it's back safely. So I took it to somewhere where there wasn't any interference, no buildings around or mountains in the way. And this for me, I'm able to maximize my flight distance.